Hey, you beautiful person, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll try my best to help you show you how you can create the text that is moving in CapCut PC. So let's jump right in the video without wasting any second, because I know your time is very important. So I hope you're gonna learn something, and also make sure you subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and just in general tutorials. I will really appreciate it. So now let's open CapCut, and now I'll click on a project, and here I have a video, and I like to animate a title, to move the title, because you can really head over here to title, and you can simply add a title by clicking here. And now we have here a title. As you can see, we can increase the duration of the title, and we can move it exactly where you want when the title will appear. But maybe we want to move this title to animate to, so right here, I'll write subscribe. Maybe you should subscribe, because I'll really appreciate it, as I said. So thank you so much. Thank you. And here, if I want to animate this style, let's say I want to move it from here to here. So right here, right at the beginning of this video, because I want the moving to start right when this title will appear. So I'll simply click on the title, and then what you have to do here, you see position and scale. Just enables keyframes per position, rotate, scale. Even if you don't add any rotation, actually if you don't have, you can disable, you do what you want. But now there is a keyframe here, and now right at the end we just move this subscribe, and you see automatically it was added our position keyframe. Okay, and if we scale, we have another keyframe for scale. Now if we rotate, we have another keyframe for this for rotate. So now we have animation. We have like this, and it's going down. But maybe we don't add any rotation, and now it's like this, simple. Now you want this to shorter, we can just shorten, and then just at the end we just move this, and we have a simple animation. As you can see, now the title is moving automatically, or the text is moving automatically. So that's pretty much how you can move a title in CapCut PC. This is for beginners, but I really hope you learned something, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.